It's important for the Augustine Academy to have the option for high school, because even as we've been looking for Christian high schools, they're available. But the Augustine Academy has something to offer that the other Christian high schools don't. The relationship that we're cultivating in the children, it no longer is the parents' relationship for their children to know Jesus. It's putting them full knowledge of who God is. They are known by Him. They know Him, not just about Him, but because they have a relationship with Him. And that's the education I want for my children. It's not what we even had at our Christian high school, but it's something we definitely would have been blessed to have had. So there's a need for the Augustine Academy as a high school. We're looking for a Christian high school in the area with a similar philosophy model, and we're not able to find it. So they're creating it, and we look forward to see what can be grown from that.